Why, hello YouTube. I am back with another video. I've been gone for a while for a few reasons. One, put my rear trunk on my car, ordered my custom license plate, still haven't got my tag yet, and then on my way home the other day I got rear-ended. The accident is so bad, you can actually see right here where the whole trunk line is creased up. So probably going to be totaled out. I'll show you how bad it is. Pretty unfortunate. Trunk's kind of full of junk. But yeah, so you can pretty much see the ground underneath. That's how far caved in the bumper, or the actual trunk is. The trunk line is, completely ruined. It's caved in so far, it's got a gap under the taillight on both sides. There's a gap that's formed there now too. Which sucks because I literally just put this trunk on here. Yeah, this is all popped out and out of whack. But yeah, you can see I was hit by a Nissan Murano. It went right over the bumper, the actual bumper support under there, and caved in the whole trunk. I haven't got to speak with insurance yet to find out what's going to go on with it. It is unfortunate, but it should happen. So it's pretty bad now. We'll have to see what happens. The other reason I haven't been making videos, you see some of the cars are starting to disappear in the yard. That minivan over there is sold. The 2 Geo Trackers are also sold. And then the truck's going to go over to a friend's house who it belongs to. So the reason I haven't been making videos is because a neighbor actually called the city on me, so I've been dealing with that a lot lately. The city had to come out and check, make sure the cars weren't all junk cars. Fortunately for me, all my cars run and drive, so there was nothing they could really do. All these cars are registered, they all run and drive. The black Jet over there is registered, it also runs and drives. The only ones that don't are the Volvo and the Camaro, which didn't seem to be a problem. So today I'm going to do a little video with you. I got some lacquer thinner. I saw a video on TikTok of them using, not lacquer thinner, I'm sorry, polyurethane. So I'm going to take some polyurethane and we're going to test it out on the truck, because I got a whole brand new grill I'm putting on this truck before I send it back to my friend's house. I got a bumper for it, grill, all new headlights. So I'm going to test it out on these lights because they're going to go in the trash anyway. So first we'll test these. We'll see how it looks. And then if it's any good, then we'll do the CC. And we'll probably also do the white Jet over there, because and my black Jet are just for shits and giggles. Because why not? So let me get all the materials and I'll get this set up. Alright. So, got a foam brush here. Foam brush, and this is what we got. It's polyurethane. I don't know if it has to be oil based or not, I'm not sure. That's why we're doing a test on this one. But in the video they said they got clear gloss. Now technically this is interior, so may not hold up very long, may only last a couple weeks, who knows. But let's give it a shot and see what it does. I'm gonna use the little brush for this one. Oh, I've already cleaned the lights too, by the way. I cleaned all the lights on the cars before I even started the video. But let's see what happens. Now these are definitely super old, so they've got a good yellow haze to them regardless. But I can actually see the amber bulb in them now, which I couldn't before. And this is pretty fast drying. So hopefully I can give you a good before and after here. I mean, I'd say that looks pretty good. This is what it looked like before versus now. So that's a pretty good job. Let's do the rest of the lights and see what happens. Maybe I'll get you a little closer so you can see it better. Come around to the other side here. This one might be, I'll bust my ass. Getting a good amount on the brush. Maybe we'll just do half of this light. This one you can see the mounting tabs are clearly broken. That one's got a lot of brush strokes in it. Like I said, I've got brand new lights, brand new grill for this thing, and a brand new front bumper. But I'd say that's pretty good. Lens around here. I've only done half the light. You can see how much of a difference that is. So this is it's pretty good. Let's just finish it out. Give it some time to dry and see what happens. It's also fast drying, so shouldn't be too long of a wait. I don't know, so far I'm saying 10 out of 10 recommend. This is pretty good, especially if you've already tried everything or you're just getting sick of doing headlight restorations. It's better if you don't like just glob it on there. You kind of use the least amount as possible. Seems to be a lot better that way. Now, just out of curiosity, I wonder what it would do to this orange light. I haven't cleaned these ones, so I don't really care about them either because they're getting replaced. But let's see. Not bad. Not bad at all. Bottom on here. Definitely brings back the luster in that orange. It's kind of nice. Give that some time to dry and then we'll come back. So it's mostly dried now. See, the corner lights came out really good. The headlights, they're alright. Not great. But I mean, they're also, what, 40 years old? This truck's a 1991. So, wasn't too worried about them. But, not too bad. Now that the CC is pretty dry, it doesn't look as good as I want it to, but it's not terrible. Oh no, I'd say you probably still need to do a headlight restoration. The bugs are definitely attracted to that polyurethane because they are flying around that stuff like crazy. So I think all in all, you'd still have to do a restoration and then probably hit it with the polyurethane afterwards once it's done. That would probably, you know, be a better solution than just putting it on the crap headlights that are already there. I forgot to record before and after on my Mark 6, but man, let me tell you how good it worked on this car. Oh, it looks a million times better. I have the videos on my phone, so I'll just have to upload them to my computer of the before and afters because I was making a quick little TikTok. But man, it really worked good on this car. Unbelievable how good it worked on that car. And then just for fun, I did that taillight as well. And I know there's no before, but it works on taillights too.